This Mercedes W177 A180 is here today to install the ambient lights for the aircon vent and also dashboard. So let's see the before. So before installations, there's no ambient lights in this car. After install, we have ambient light here on the dashboard, and the 5 aircon vent in front, and the 2 aircon vent at the back. This car has already done the ambient light retrofit. So we have retrofit the ambient lights and also done the coding. So they have the color scheme selection here. So you can select the different colors, and the color changes, as you can see, aircon vent, the 7 aircon vent plus here, and also the light on the dashboard and the footwell sections, and on the center console here. So there are multiple color scheme that you can choose. Or you can even select the multicolor, so 64 colors. So very beautiful.